A Chesapeake police officer went before a juvenile court judge this morning facing several child pornography charges.
A spokesman for the department says detectives arrested Timothy Newton yesterday. This comes after a complaint earlier this year. We want to warn you, details of this story may be disturbing to hear. Ann Sparacco is live in Chesapeake tonight. Ann, Newton served a long time with the police department?
Nicole, yes, Chesapeake police officers say Timothy Newton spent more than a decade on the force, and now we're learning exactly how investigators looked into his case and what they found through these court documents. It's a case where a law enforcement officer finds himself on the other side of the bars. Chesapeake police officer Timothy Newton faced a judge on several charges Wednesday. A spokesman for Chesapeake Police says detectives with the Criminal Investigation Section arrested Newton after they received a complaint earlier this year. Court documents obtained by 13 News Now say investigators issued a search warrant on November 9th and formally arrested the police officer a few days later. The records show investigators looked into Newton's phone and found dozens of disturbing images and videos of sexual activity between adults and male children as young as a year old and 5 to 7 years old. The 39-year-old now faces 24 felony counts of possessing child pornography. The spokesman for the police department says the longtime officer started working with the department in February 2007, but Newton is now suspended from the force. He sits in Virginia Beach jail without bail as he awaits his bond hearing Friday morning. And in court, Newton said he hired an attorney, that is James Broccoletti. We reached out to Broccoletti's office to learn more about this case, but we did not hear back. We also submitted a request to jail officials to interview Newton, but he declined to speak with us today. Reporting live in Chesapeake, I'm Ann Sparacco for 13 News Now.
And thank you. Court officials say they will file paperwork to eventually transfer Newton from Virginia Beach to Chesapeake, where a judge will review the evidence.